Today, let's talk about something really important: how to make money online when you literally have no experience or special skill. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I don't know how to do anything. Trust me, I've been there. I started with absolute nothing: no followers, no customer, no money coming in, just a desire to create a better life for myself. If you're watching this video, you probably want to make some extra money on the side, have more freedom in your life, maybe even replace your day job's income someday, or you're just figure out where the heck to start. Well, you are in the right place. I'm going to share the exact step I use, and they are so simple that anyone can do them. But first, let me be honest with you about something. Here's the reality when you are starting from zero. You have zero email subscribers, zero social media followers, zero customers, zero money coming in, zero digital products, zero testimonials, and honestly, zero real skill yet. I know that sounds depressing, but here's the good news. Everyone starts here. Even the most successful people you see online started with nothing. The difference is they took actions. Now, I need to tell you something important. Forget everything you have heard about get rich quick scheme. Forget about affiliate marketing for now. Drop shipping, network marketing, all those make USD 1,000 a day promises. Those things might work later, but they are not where you should start. Why? Because they require skill and experience which you don't have yet. Instead, we are going to focus on one simple thing: getting your first skill and your first customer. That's it. Step 1. Learn one skill. So here's one step, and it's probably the most important things I tell you today. You need to learn one skill that you can use to help other people. But what skill should I learn? Great questions. Here's some ideas. Writing, like creating content for businesses, basic graphic design, video editing, photography, simple website building, social media management. The key is to pick something that interests you, even a little bit. But don't overthink this part. Now, where do you learn this skill? I recommend two places: LinkedIn Learning, they have a free trial, or Udemy, they have tons of creative courses. Here's what you do: pick one skill, spend one weekend, just 2 days, taking every course you can find on that topic, watch video, take notes, and practice along. Maybe you will ask, but I'm still a beginner. Exactly, and that's perfectly fine. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know a little bit more than some other people. Think of it like this: if skill level goes from 0 to 10 and you are at 2 or 3 after your weekend of learning, you can help people who are at 0 or 1. That's your target market. People who know less than you do. This is so important. Let me say it again. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be a few steps ahead of someone else. Step 2. Find your first customer. Now comes the scary part: finding your first customer. But I'm going to make this really simple for you. Start with people you already know. That's right, your warm audience. This could be your family members, friends, co-workers, people in your communities, or anyone on your social media. Look for someone who needs the skill you just learned. Maybe your aunt needs help for her Facebook page. Maybe your friends want to start a small business and need some simple logo. Maybe someone at work mentioned wanting to organize their photos. Here's the key: offer to do it for free or really cheap for your first customer. I know you might say work for free sounds terrible, but here's why it's smart. It removes the pressure from you and you are just practicing. It removes the risk for them. They are not losing money if you mess up. It gets you real experience with a real person. It gets you your first testimonial. And here's the most important part: do an amazing job. Blow their minds with how good you are. Spend extra time on it. Add little details they didn't expect. Make them feel like they got away more than they paid for. Step 3. The magic formula. Once you've done an amazing job for the first client, here's what to do. Ask for two things: a review of how great you were to work with, a referral. Do they know anyone else who might need your help? This is where the magic happens. You use that testimonial to get your second client. And with your second client, you do an even better job because now you have more experience. Then what? You ask your second client for testimonial and referral too. See the pattern? Client, great work, testimonial, next client. Even better work, another testimonial, and so on. This is what I call the snowball effect. At first, it feels like you are pushing a heavy ball up a hill. It's hard work, but eventually that ball starts rolling on its own and it gets easier and easier. Now, I want to be honest about something. This takes time. It's not going to happen overnight. You might spend weeks or even months getting your first few clients. That's normal. Don't get discouraged. As you keep doing this process, something amazing started to happen. Your skill get better because you're practicing on real projects. Your confidence grows because you're seeing result. Your price can go up because you are more experienced. Your reputations grow because you have more testimonials. Your network expand because of referral. But here's the best part. You start working less hours while making more money. That's because you are getting more efficient and you can charge more for your improved skills. Eventually, you might even create what we call digital products. This means instead of working with people one-on-one all the time, you create something once, like a course or template, and sell it to many people. But that's way down the road. For now, just focus on getting really good at helping one person at a time. Alright, let's wrap this up. Here's exactly what you need to do. Today, pick one skill you want to learn, just one, don't overthink it. This weekend, sign up for LinkedIn Learning and spend the whole weekend learning that skill. Next week, think of 3 people you know who might need help with the skill. Within 2 weeks, reach out to one of those people and offer to help them for free or cheap. Within a month, complete the first project and ask for a testimonial. That's it. 5 simple steps. No complicated strategies, no expensive tools, no secrets. Just good old-fashioned learning and helping people. I know this might sound too simple, but simple works. I use this exact process to build my business and I've seen hundreds of other people do the same thing. The hardest part is just starting, but if you take action on what I've shared today, you will be amazed at where you are 6 months from now. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest advice about building an online business. And if you try this method, come back and let me know how it's go in the comment. I read every single one. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Now stop watching and go pick that skill. Happy creating and happy designing.